Plumbing vents. Every home's got them, but few homeowners seem to know what they are, where they are, and why they're important. But they're the MVP of your DWV, your drain waste vent system, which removes wastewater and sewer gases from your home. Plumbing vents are PVC, plastic, or metal pipes that connect your wastewater drain lines used by every single one of your plumbing fixtures, including your toilets, sinks, showers, bathtubs, dishwasher, and clothes washer. Plumbing vents run from your drain lines up through your walls, and most commonly exit through your roof, extending about 6 inches above your roof line and typically topped by a cap or screen to keep out debris and critters. You may have mistakenly assumed these pipes were bathroom exhaust fan vents or dryer vents, but they're actually something entirely different. 2 things, actually. Allowing unpleasant and potentially harmful sewer gases to escape your plumbing system instead of entering your home, and moving fresh air into your plumbing system to facilitate the smooth flow of water through your home's plumbing fixtures by balancing air pressure, preventing a vacuum in your pipes. Now that you know about these unsung heroes of your home, every time you don't have a slow-draining sink, don't hear a gurgling sound coming from your pipes, or don't smell a gross gassy stench in your house, you have your plumbing vents to thank. Thanks, plumbing vents.